Now we begin with the Omicron variant, quickly becoming the dominant COVID-19 strain in the U.S. Federal health officials saying last week Omicron accounted for 73% of new infections and has now been detected in nearly every single state, including right here in Utah. Now the CDC predicting Omicron will peak in mid-January.
We have not yet seen the full impact of the very ominous Omicron variant.
Hopeful news for Moderna, though. The drug maker saying new data shows its currently authorized booster increases antibody protection against Omicron within a month of getting that shot. So how do you know if you're sick with the Omicron variant? According to researchers, the top 5 symptoms reported in December were right here listed on your screen: runny nose, headache, fatigue, either mild or severe, sneezing, and a sore throat. Well, with the Omicron variant spreading and people getting ready for the holidays, a lot of people are asking what they can do to stay safe and still see their families. ABC4's Courtney John joining us live in downtown Salt Lake City with that answer tonight. Courtney?
Yeah, Emily, when you walk around and you see all the holiday lights, it's easy to forget that we are in the middle of a pandemic. But experts say COVID doesn't care. All it cares about is spreading, and it's going to do whatever it takes to make that happen.
We've got family coming into town, so we want to make sure we're all good to go before we see them.
'Tis the season to get tested.
Testing is an extra layer of protection.
U of U health infectious disease expert Dr. Emily Spivak says getting tested before a family get-together is a great idea. But the best layer of protection is getting vaccinated, including that booster shot. The next item on the nice list is the test.
A day or two, depending on what test you're using before you gather, would be as close to the event as possible is when you would want to test to make sure that you're negative.
If someone in your group is not vaccinated, maybe a child under the age of 5, Dr. Spivak says you may want to consider doing a rapid at-home test right before you head over as well. If you're worried about seeing someone who isn't vaccinated, Dr. Spivak says as long as you've got all the recommended shots, you should be protected against getting super sick. But before you see that person, you should ask yourself this.
Do you want to be inconvenienced? A cold or flu-like symptoms, having to quarantine at home for 10 days, cancel other things if you happen to get sick.
A 10-day quarantine or a 10-minute test.
I mean, it's not that hard to do. It just took us a few minutes.
Experts say getting the booster is best. Now, getting vaccinated is great, but that also means that if you do get COVID, odds are your symptoms could be extremely mild, which is why Dr. Spivak says no matter how small that symptom is, maybe it just feels like a little bit of a cold, just stay home. Reporting live in Salt Lake City, Courtney Johns, ABC4 News.
All right, thank you so much, Courtney.